Yoga is all about posture, mindfulness, movement, focus, breath, and rest. Yoga therapy is the amalgamation of these factors and carefully tailored practice suitable for the individual. Yoga therapy is a highly individualized process. Therapists work one-on-one with an individual to address a specific health challenge or manage wellness goals. So in this video, we're going to discuss yoga therapy and its great benefits. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Most of us in today's times are leading busy and stressful lives, and that's having a whole lot of negative impact on us, not only physically but also mentally. Stress leads to a lot of medical problems, and extending ourselves to yoga or this therapy is the best way we can reduce stress and improve our overall well-being. This is primarily used to align the unique and precise physical and mental needs of the client with specific yoga practice. This is because both medical science and the history of yoga have found particular curative benefits of yoga therapy associated with any kind of particular disease. For example, there are specific yoga poses and postures which help soothe back pain, while there are others that reduce stress. The yoga-based therapy used for mental and emotional curing is usually gentler, specialized, and are directed to regulate the nervous system to foster the return of the awareness of the body. These sessions include breathing coordination, breathing techniques, postures, meditation, relaxation techniques, and even behavioral changes. However, this depends entirely on the needs and the requirements of the care seeker. Yoga therapy is practiced in a wide range of formats. Physical therapists, for example, often implement yoga techniques in their delivery of massage and other treatments. Potential benefits from yoga therapy include stress reduction, psychological well-being, improved diet, and efficient functioning of bodily systems. A 2011 qualitative study from Incognizo, Journal of Humanities and Social Sciences, examined the effects of yoga therapy on anxiety. The findings not only indicated that yoga therapy effectively reduced subjects' anxiety, but improved across several dimensions of physical and mental health, including physicality, relaxation, and mindfulness. While yoga therapy is typically performed on an individual basis, a subtype of yoga therapy includes a group element where multiple people work together with a therapist in a small group, and the power of the group is part of the healing process, says Romanoff. Improved eating habits. Meditation and yoga both encourage mindfulness, and some research suggests that mindfulness can contribute to healthier eating habits and overall lifestyle improvements. This is why yoga is often used in eating disorder recovery. It can help you have a healthier relationship with food and your body. Mindful eating can also help you regulate your blood sugar levels and keep your weight in a healthy range. Manage chronic pains. Chronic pains generally occur due to our unhealthy lifestyle, hectic schedule, fitness injuries, surgeries, multiple sclerosis, vehicle accidents, and age. Therapeutic yoga increases mobility in the joints by stretching, releasing tension from the muscles, and lengthening the tight muscles, thus reduces chronic pain in the neck, back, shoulders, hips, and knees. Stress reduction. Life is often a stress fest, and yoga therapy is here to help. A consistent practice can help you stay calm, focused, and positive. In a small 2012 study of 72 distressed women, those who practiced yoga once or twice per week for 3 months showed greater improvements in measures of stress and quality of life than those who didn't do yoga. Minimize fatigue and improve sleep. We should never fear sleep time, but often, when there is a case of insomnia, fear is a natural emotion. Therapeutic yoga helps you to overcome insomnia. Insomnia mainly occurs due to tense muscles, joints, and stress, which interrupts your sleep or makes it difficult to fall asleep. Therapeutic yoga promotes relaxation and removes tension from the joints and muscles, thus reducing stiffness and pain. All of these benefits lead to more restful sleep. Emotional and mental strength. Therapeutic yoga controls anxiety, release tension, and help them with depression. Uneasiness triggers pressure and stress, and it can leave us feeling exhausted physically, but even emotionally and mentally, because we can often find ourselves in fight mode or flight mode. With therapeutic yoga, you're instructed how to control your fear and how to release uneasiness in a natural way. In therapeutic yoga, your yoga instructor addresses mental tension so you can discard the negativity and focus on being more present and insightful. Better mood. It's 100% okay to have a crappy day. It happens. Thankfully, yoga therapy can help you nip those bad vibes in the bud. It can help you slay those endorphins and leave you feeling a heck of a lot better. A 2017 study found that certain yoga poses can increase energy and self-esteem. A full-on yoga therapy sesh, even better. Healthy knees. Knee pain and stiffness don't have to be part of growing older. Yoga has been shown to improve knee pain and that awkward and annoying stiffness that happens in the mornings in people suffering from osteoarthritis. A strong heart for those at high risk of developing cardiovascular disease or metabolic syndrome, yoga may help. A systematic review and meta-analysis found promising evidence of yoga's ability to boost heart health. The practice helped improve body mass index, blood pressure levels, and cholesterol. A groove in digestive tract. Possibly due to the connection between your brain and your gut, yoga can impact your digestion. One small study found yoga could help chronic constipation and improve both physical and emotional health, but more research is needed. Respiratory strength. Therapeutic yoga involves various breathing practices which are called pranayama. Pranayama improves your respiratory strength as it has the ability to enhance the number of alveolar sacs which are present deep into your lungs. Oxygen intake in the lungs increases with the increase in the number of alveolar sacs, thus strengthening the respiratory system. Anxiety relief. Many people turn to yoga to reduce anxiety, and with good reason. The calming sensations, focused breathing, and slow movements can help lower anxiety levels. In a small 2009 study, 34 women who were referred to a yoga clinic for anxiety practiced yoga twice a week for 2 months, while a control group of 31 women didn't practice yoga. Afterwards, the yoga group showed greater decreases in anxiety levels than the control group. Improves blood circulation. Therapeutic yoga helps to improve blood circulation and the flow of lymph throughout the body. Therapeutic yoga supports the process of production of blood which takes place in the bone marrow of our thighs. It also helps to keep the blood vessels elastic when the muscles and blood vessels are stretched. Depression can make anyone feel cut off and isolated. But remember, you're not alone. About 17.3 million adults in the United States are affected by depression every year. Studies suggest that yoga could help you feel better. Depression can really take a toll on your energy level and ability to concentrate. Yoga might give you the boost you need to get back to business. Yoga can also help on a chemical level. It can decrease your levels of stress hormone cortisol, which is also linked to depression. Yoga therapy is a type of therapy that draws on yoga exercises, practices, and philosophies to improve mental and physical health, while the practice of yoga is commonly associated with stress relief. Yoga therapy can be helpful in the treatment of several other mental health conditions as well. It may be recommended to you in combination with another type of therapy. If you're looking to attend a therapeutic yoga class, then it could be a life-changing decision of your life, especially if you attend class on a regular basis and find a yoga instructor who will help you to resolve your problems. It's about making an active decision to address certain problems in your physical, emotional, and mental state. Figuring out your problems early on is always a better approach. Learning to fight anxiety when you begin feeling its foundations, assuming control over your mental state is ideal instead of allowing the medication to do the battling for you. The same goes for chronic tension. It's perfect that you address the pain in your back or neck before you need to depend on a medical procedure or prescription. Therapeutic yoga isn't simply one more passing prevailing fashion. It includes the wisdom that is hundreds of years old. So the next time whenever you feel low, arrange a meeting with a yoga therapist for a holistic healing experience. If you'd like to explore yoga therapy, you can look for a certified yoga therapist near you or ask friends, family, or your healthcare provider for a referral. According to Romanoff, yoga therapy is typically used as an adjunct therapy in addition to other forms of therapy, so if you're currently seeing a therapist, it may be worth consulting them about whether or not yoga therapy can be helpful to you and discussing how it would work in parallel with your current form of therapy. It's important to note that you can participate in yoga therapy regardless of your age, flexibility, or strength. Sessions can be simple or advanced depending on your abilities and needs. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This is all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please click on the next video to watch for more health info. Thank you very much.